Greetings from my happy place in Stockholm on the sea. This is Erstaviksbadet, and this is how it looks like on this sunny Wednesday, 1st of April, and the premiere of the sea adventures in Sweden, in Stockholm more specifically. And I am ready to test out the sea for the first time this year in Sweden only and see how it is. I have cycled to get here 16 kilometers with my Scott gravel bike, and it took me around 42 minutes. And I'm now in the beautiful forest of Erstavik, currently all alone on the beach, and am getting ready for the first swim this year on the sea in Sweden, as this is beach number 12 actually. Let's go off with the water thermometer and measure the temperature. The color of the water is so clear and so clean, as you can see. Beautiful nature all around, and perfect way to spend this first day of April. That's right. I will be enjoying on the beach for a bit, and maybe I will take one more dip later. But for now, it's first to check the freezing temperature of the sea. Oh, it is not as cold as I thought. It's 6 degrees Celsius. But bear in mind, I am measuring here at the entrance, so it might be even more colder as you go in further in. Yes, Erstaviksbadet is located in Nacka, and it's one of the most beautiful sandy beaches in Stockholm region. And we can see on the other side Tyresö, that's also one of my spots to go to, especially Tyresö Strandbadet. 1st of April, let's then kick in with a swim, or actually dip, as I won't be that long in the waters. Freezing, but also amazing at the same time. This period the water is as clean as it can be, and also in autumn as well. So let's get going and have this beach adventure going. Yes, I was so acquainted to the Mediterranean Sea that I forgot how beautiful the Baltic Sea actually is. And if I didn't tell you that this is Stockholm, you would have thought that this is someplace else, as this stunning beauty. One could not imagine that it is in Stockholm. Beautiful, beautiful nature all around. My feet are freezing though, so it's gonna be challenging, at least to say. But yes, Chris is continuing the beach adventures, and now Easter is coming over the weekend, and it's gonna be quite cold. So let's see when it's gonna be the next beach adventure. But I think next week on Good Monday, the sun will be back in Stockholm, so we can rejoin the beach adventures. Okay, so I'm going in. My legs are freezing, as you can see, but I will definitely dive in. So ready, set, and go. That's the sea. That's the Baltic Sea, and it's so stunning. Indeed, it's so beautiful. My legs are freezing, but it's all worth it for sure. A little bit cryotherapy on the legs as it's time to wrap up this beach adventure from Erstaviksbadet for now, and for me to enjoy more on the beach sunbathing, as it is quite sunny even though the UV index is not that high. So, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Erstaviksbadet, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!